Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do an Irish accent. First, let's tackle the vowels. The ah sound is often more open, like in cat or father. Try saying car without a hard R sound, almost like ka. Also, pay attention to how words like my might sound closer to me. These subtle shifts are key to sounding authentic and natural. Listen closely to native speakers to catch these nuances. Next, let's focus on consonants. The T and D sounds are often softer, almost touching the back of the teeth. A big giveaway is the TH sound. It often becomes a T or D. For example, 3 might sound like tree and that like dat. Also, many speakers drop the hard G at the end of words like walking, making it sound more like walkin'. These small changes make a big difference. Now, let's talk about the musicality of the accent. Irish speech often has a lovely lilt, a gentle rise and fall in pitch. You'll notice an upward inflection at the end of sentences, even when you're not asking a question. This gives it a conversational, engaging feel. Try to let your voice flow, emphasizing key words to create that natural, melodic rhythm. It's less about individual sounds and more about the overall song of the speech. Finally, practice is essential. Immerse yourself by listening to Irish podcasts, films, or music. Try out common phrases like what's the craik, meaning what's up, or I'm grand, thanks. A great tip is to record yourself speaking and then compare it to a native speaker. This helps you identify areas for improvement. Remember, consistency and observation are your best friends in mastering this charming accent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.